the purpose of spoken language and written language. I hope you all are well prepared for your activity. The only announcement I will be making is when is it going to be, tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. Now, anybody can answer this question, that which is the world's most sung song, which is in Guinness Book of Record? Yes, right? Internationally, dunya mein, all over the world, the song that has been sung the maximum number of times in all parts of the world, it is Happy Birthday song. And we, the LMIN, are always finding opportunity to celebrate, be happy, and train you to sing the Happy Birthday song with a lot of zest, zeal, spirit. Each month, once we have our staff monthly meeting, each branches have a record of who are the staff, whose birthday is it on that month, and we call it like the birthday girls of the month. And then in the meeting there is always a cake cutting ceremony, singing ceremony, and so on. There are few people who miss out because their birthdays are always during the workshop. So today one of our very senior person who's been attached with LMI for many years. She's grown up with her. She was Miss, then she got married. I'm speaking about our senior coordinator, Mrs. Saima Iqbal. Today is her birthday, and although she's not here, but I'm sure somehow the news will reach. Let us all sing Happy Birthday for Saima, and let's sing it the LMI way. Okay, I'm going to lead. I want to hear Itrat, aap log sab join kar le. The language seed. Happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Saima. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday, dear Saima. Happy birthday to you. If you're 5 years old, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then start from that. So what's that? With LMI, and inshallah next year not only as Mrs. Saima but as Mama Saima. So these are the progress we keep seeing. Itrat is one of them. That Miss Itrat, then Mrs. Itrat, then Mama Itrat. And then Nusrat is even a better example than Grandma Nusrat. So we are literally growing and glowing with LMI, and I'm just waiting for the language team to reappear, and it's all over to them. Mrs. Arya Nusrat now will continue with the presentation. Amina will continue with the commentary, and of course Nusrat is there all the time. See, just a little call away. So, Amina, please, and a warm welcome back for them.
Small objects or articles, example basket, spoon, jug, etc. There are slips of paper, 2 pencils, and there is one lead pencil and the other one is the color. The aim of article game is to teach the child reading and is to make the child understand that what article means. The age for this presentation is 4.5 years.
Would you like to work with me? Please come. Would you like to bring this box for Auntie? No. Sati, please put the box. Very good. You always keep the lid under the box. Sati, can you please tell me what is this?
I don't know.
No, you're very good. Before this presentation, the child must know the names of the objects.
Yeah.
Okay. No. I'm supposed to do jokes.
Done.
Can you please tell me what is this? Can you please tell me what is this?
I don't know.
Lid. Lid.
Spoon.
Lid. Yes, you have to. Yes.
Lid.
Keep it here.
Because
What is this?
I'm just thinking somebody else saying,
No, you have to.
okay, lid.
Can you please tell me what is this?
Pencil.
This is.
Pencil.
This one is also a
Pencil.
pencil. Sati, can we leave the box like this?
This one.
No, we never. We always put the lid up and keep the box aside. Now, do you know what thing or which object I want from all these objects? Do you know?
We don't know.
Okay, I will tell you what I want from these objects. Can you please read it?
The spoon.
Can you please keep the slip? Now can you tell me what I want from these objects? Okay, I will tell you what I want. Which one? Can you please place the slip? Can you please give me this?
Which one?
Now this time the teacher did a mistake intentionally and she wrote the peg, and as you can see there are two pegs, so child may be asked you which one. So at that time you did a mistake and you say, oh sorry, I did a mistake, I should not write the peg. I will tell you. Please read it loudly.
Pen. Pen.
Now keep it with the object. Now can you tell me what I want from these objects? Can you tell me what I want from these objects? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you what I want. Please read it.
The pen.
Can you please place the slip? The pen. Now can you tell me what I want from these objects?
Write the names.
Okay, you don't know, so I will write something on the slip. Can you please give me this?
The lid.
Yes, which one?
Which one?
Down.
Which one?
Again, intentionally you did a mistake. You wrote the lid. The child definitely will ask which one, because there are two lids. I will tell you which one. And then you have to tear the slip to give this impression to the child that this is wrong. As the lids are same, so you will write a lid. Read it.
Lid.
Place it. Now can you tell me what object I want from these? No, I will tell you what I want. You can make two to three mistakes, but after that you can continue with the and the article, because so much mistakes make the child confused.
Pencil.
So when the child reads a pencil, child will keep one pencil on that still. In the same manner, you will continue with all the objects. Now again, auntie needs something from these objects. I will write down.
Very nice.
Again, we'll ask which one, because there are three pencils. Yes.
The pencil.
We'll ask which one.
Which one?
Oh, sorry. Again, I did a mistake. I will tell you which one. Because all three pencils are same, so you write a pencil again. Now read it.
Pencil.
Keep it. Now, can you tell me what is this? A lid. Very good. Keep it. After labeling all the objects, you ask the child to read it loudly. Now read.
The pen. The spoon. A cat.
Okay, again.
A pen. A lid. A lid. A pencil. A pencil.
Thank you. Now in this manner, the child take this impression that when we have a group of things, we always say a. And when we have only one object at the same time, so we should use the. This is called article game. Thank you. Give me the steps.
Example vase and placed on the table. Tell the child, the vase is on the table, vase is behind the box, vase is under the table. Also ask the child to stand behind the table, sit on the chair, stand beside the chair, and so on. Indirect preparation. In this game, the child is to read the preposition, and the directress in view of this has indirectly prepared the child as he has done article game, puzzle words, adjective game, and conjunction game. Age 4.5 years. Ma'am, preposition game.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, today we are going to work with for me on the table.
Yes.
Would you like to open the box?
Yes.
Okay. Which flower is this?
The yellow flower,
Keep it there. Which flower is this?
the red flower,
Keep this there. And what is this?
this is the ribbon,
Okay. What is this?
and this is the vase, the blue vase.
Okay. Amina, can you tie the flowers for me?
Yes, auntie.
can you please read it for me?
Yes, Auntie.
Read it.
The yellow flower and the red flower.
Now keep it with the flowers.
Okay.
Amina, please read it for me.
The blue vase.
Keep it with the blue vase. Okay. Now, Amina, will you please put the flowers in the vase?
Okay.
Amina, can you please tell me where were the flowers before that?
Auntie,
On the-
side on the table.
Now, where are the flowers? Now,
In the vase.
in the vase. In the vase. Now, read it loudly.
The yellow flower and the red flower in the blue vase.
Okay. Now, can you read it like this?
The yellow flower and the red flower, the blue vase in.
Does it sound correct?
No, Auntie. In the yellow flower and the red flower, the blue vase. No, Auntie, it does not sound creative.
Again, read it.
The yellow flower and the red flower in the blue vase.
Does it sound correct?
Yes, it sounds
Now,
correct.
which word tells you that the flowers are? Which word tells you that the flowers are where the flowers are? Which word?
Auntie, in.
In. For that in, we use this green crescent.
Okay.
Now, again, the child knows rest of the symbols, so you invite the child to put the symbols. Yes. Now you can see the magic of Montessori teaching method. Look at the sentence, look at the symbols, the colorful symbols, different shapes, different colors. So in this way, children love to learn more and more, and language becomes so easy for them. Thank you. Replace it with the red and
It's very demanding for the directress. You can't overlook any tiny points. You have to make sure if you have to have two colored pencil, two color markers, the slips, the strips, the scissors, always has to be there. And as they've been announcing from the beginning that the role, the duty of the directress is to check the material before presentation. Sometimes maybe you have prepared the material and maybe another child has come and he has taken away something. And there on the spot when you're giving the presentation, you realize, oh my God, one of the markers is missing. So that is the importance behind the rule of checking the material before giving the presentation. Once again, as you can see on display, the language activity here, or don't just pick it up, give the people an opportunity to see how to go about, you have to go and buy the color boxes that's transparent and to protect that. In fact, can I have one of the bags? It's simply fabulous because if you keep the material so well protected, it's dust free and it's not going to be lost. I don't know how they have managed to get these bags, especially through the different size and the ready-made slips, handmade slip, not computer printout. Is it being focused nicely? Is there? So you directresses, when you go to work in school, language is the area where you all are lacking, and you take the shortcuts. If this box is there, the heading is there, color code is there, the child will know that green belongs to language, and inside everything will be safe and as you saw, it was used for the preposition game. So once again, to the language team, especially to Miss Amina and her students, so please, I would like to finally जो हमारा rule है, call the language ladies, Mrs. Nusrat Makar, Alia Nusrat and Amina, with the coordinator who's been a big help. Shraddha, who stand up by the stand, because our language लिखा है. Your scenario was so lively coming to the end, and today is being serious because work is not all.